not find any Taliban there.
But the group continued to have a presence and repeatedly tried to assassinate Aziz. It is criticized for alleged torture and running illegal prisons, but admired for bringing security to the birthplace of the Taliban. For NPR News, I'm Jennifer Glass in Kabul.
The Dow's down 405 points, or 1.5%. This is NPR.
From KQED News, I'm Brian Watt. Contra Costa County officials say they're reviewing drone footage of a fire in an underground utility vault that's forced thousands to
What
flee
the fuck,
area.
lady? Get in the
They wanna
car!
see if the facility is safe for firefighters to enter. The vault caught fire during a small brush fire in the area last night. It houses a high-pressure natural gas line owned by Chevron. After discovering the fire in the vault last night, county officials ordered the mandatory evacuation of some 4,000 people in the Pittsburgh and Bay Point area. Fears that the pipeline...
It wasn't me! It was the asshole behind me, motherfucker!
Information officer for Contra Costa.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Well, a slight warming trend as we move into the weekend. The forecast...
Yeah, I can't get in there because you know they're in the middle of the goddamn driveway.
Return early next week. But for today, we're looking for a sunny afternoon with high temperatures from the upper 60s along the coast
I
to the
fucking
mid-80s
hate
inland.
people.